Best smartwatch for construction workers. Number 1, Amazfit Smartwatch for construction workers. Keep direction and time with this Amazfit T-Rex outdoor smartwatch. The rugged military-grade construction provides durability in harsh environments, while the powerful battery lasts up to 20 days on a single charge. Get a high-level exploration partner that boasts a high-end Sony GPS chip and built-in highly precise dual satellite positioning system. The fitness watch also issues reminders to stand up, which encourage you to develop healthy habits. What's more, this watch monitors data such as exercise heart rate and exercise duration statistics, making your workouts safer and more efficient. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2, Garmin Smartwatch for construction workers. When you can rely on instinct, the world can rely on you. This rugged, reliable outdoor GPS watch is built for the U.S. military standard 810G for thermal, shock and water resistance, rated to 100 meters. The fiber-reinforced polymer case adds strength and durability, and the chemically strengthened, scratch-resistant display is high contrast enough to read in bright sunlight, so you can take it with you into the extremes you face every day. Plus, the fully vented silicone bands include 2 independent, removable keeper loops to ensure a secure fit and to keep you from getting caught on things. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3, Garmin Smartwatch for construction workers. Elevate your game with Instinct, Esports Edition. This GPS smartwatch for esports athletes has a dedicated esports activity profile, allowing users to track and analyze their body's performance while gaming. Through StreamUp, users can broadcast biometrics directly to select gaming streams when paired with Bluetooth-enabled computer. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4, Suunto Smartwatch for construction workers. Suunto Core Alpha packs the key outdoor features in robust construction with a comfortable yet durable textile strap. Combining an altimeter, barometer and compass with weather information, the watch will bring out the explorer in you. The night vision goggle-friendly red backlight helps you stay unnoticed. Suunto Core Alpha is designed and made in Finland. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5, Samsung Smartwatch for construction workers. Live a stronger, smarter life with Galaxy Watch at your wrist. Rest well, stay active and keep stress at bay with built-in health tracking. Go for days without charging your watch. The Bluetooth connection keeps everything at your wrist. Compatible with select Bluetooth-capable smartphones. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.